I'm going to show you how you can activate Copilot on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, there is a way you can do this, and some laptops have a specialized Copilot key. But for those that don't have it, you can use the shortcut Windows key C to activate Copilot. Now, this can work on both enterprise devices and also non-enterprise devices. So as you can see, I've got a message from Copilot saying message M365 Copilot. And here I could ask it anything like, tell me the weather in Lisbon, for example. If I hit enter, then what happens is Copilot ends up opening up. Now it opens up in this window and it starts searching the terms just like you normally would. So for example, it's tried to put some information about the weather currently in Lisbon, and it ends up producing that for you, and then it ends up linking to the sources as well. And you can have a look at those sources by clicking on sources, and it pops up on the right hand side. And you can make this bigger by clicking on the open app icon in the top right, or you can continue chatting with Copilot. On a non-corporate device, what happens when you hit Windows C is Copilot will open, and if you're signed in with your personal account, you can then end up getting back to where you left off. So you can keep talking to Copilot, you can get some help with your apps, and you can jump into some files that you have, or you can ask it anything. So for example, something you might be able to ask it is, when does the star sign Libra come from, for example? And then Copilot will go off and run away to bring up a response based off of information from the internet. And as you can see, it's also citing those sources, slightly different to Enterprise Copilot, also known as Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now, here is how you can set up the Copilot key or the hardware key on Windows 11. You can't do this if you have 22H2 or 23H2. It's only available from Windows 11 24H2 and newer. So if you're running Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2 or anything newer, you will be able to do this. You'll be able to set it up and so on. To start off, hit Windows I to open up the settings. Then where we're going to go is to Personalisation. Once we click on Personalisation, we're going to look for text input. Once you see that, click on it and you're going to get this screen. If you scroll down, you should be able to see between theme and touch keyboard, customize Copilot key on keyboard, which is what happens when you press the Copilot key or the Windows key and C. So here I've already got it set up to Copilot, but some people might have it set up to search, for example, or you can set it up for a custom app. So when you click Copilot and then you hit Windows C, then Copilot opens up. And just one thing to note between a personal device and if you're using your work device, for example, is that the Copilot option will be different. So on personal devices like laptops where you're using it at home for yourself and personal use, it will just say Copilot. So if that's attached to like your Outlook, your Hotmail, or any other account, and if you're using a work device and you're using Copilot on there, then it will say Microsoft 365 Copilot. So that's just one thing to note in terms of difference on this screen.